Allied Welding Services. Depend on the experts at Allied Welding Services to meet all your on-site needs and mobile welding needs. Allied Welding offers welding services for stainless steel, aluminum, and other non-ferrous metals, and repairs of pressure vessels, piping, and tubing. Services include TIG welding, MIG welding, shielded middle arc welding, custom plasma cutting of signs and shapes, and welding is available in the shop and in the field. Contact Allied Welding today at 801-486-4894. Depend on the experts at Allied Welding Services to meet all your welding needs. Call Allied Welding today for commercial and business welding. Certified welding services, including MIG welding and TIG welding, pipe welding, and aluminum welding. Allied Welding Services. Custom to fit your needs. Call Allied Welding today at 801-486-4894.